Hey, hi, my name is Rashmi Parekh. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about testing and Selenium. Testing is a planned process that is used to identify the correctness, completeness, security, and the quality of the software. Basically, combining correctness, completeness, security, that means we are talking about testing. Well, testing is of two types. Manual testing and automation testing. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about automation testing. Here we have several number of tools, automation tools like Selenium, QTP, SoapUI, Calabash, Renorex. In this tutorial, we'll talk about Selenium. Let's get started. I have already made the project. Well, let me explain you what is my aim. My aim is to just print out the name of Indian cricket players to verify that they are correctly visible over the site or not. So I'll make a URL of Yahoo, then cricket. Now you can see here India. While clicking on India, you will be redirected to the page. Let's start the code. System. You just need to set the property first because previously in Selenium we are able to call Firefox driver directly, but now in 3.0 version we need to set the property for calling the Firefox driver. So I'll just write over here driver dot Geeko is the driver dot driver. I'll give the path name over here. Navigate to the folder where you have saved the Geeko exe. I have saved here. Shift right key and then right click. You will get copy as path direct option. Now paste it over here. Now I'll set the capabilities. Desired capabilities is equals to desired capabilities dot Firefox driver. Caps dot set capability. I'm calling it, but I'll define it as a false because in Selenium 3 it is kind of deprecated, so we have no use of this. Now I'll call the driver is equals to Firefox driver. Now driver dot get. I'll give the URL name over here to which we want to our code to be navigated. I'll paste this code over here. Sorry, URL. Now I'm just maximizing. It is not necessary, but just for the betterment we are doing it. We'll maximize the window. Now we will call the element web element. Basically we need a driver to be talk. To whom it will be talk? It will talk to the element. So we'll give the element, we'll pass the element over here. We'll see now what we want. We need a driver to be talk with India. So we'll inspect this element. You can see a blue line over here. Here it is. Now we'll find the what is unique over here. We can see href will be the good option. Our URL. Sorry. Now href We'll copy this link and paste it over here. We'll eval this. Yes, it is working correctly fine. You can see a blue line over here. We'll copy this link and we'll paste over here by dot find by dot xpath and we'll pass the link. Now we need to perform an action of click. So we'll call the action class action is equals to new action and we'll pass the driver. Now action, what action will do? Action will first move to this element. So action dot move to element. We'll pass the element over here and action dot click dot perform. Just type in perform. This will do, it will just click over the India. Now we'll just type Indian players. Oops, sorry. Oh no. Okay, players. Well, we got India. Now we are redirected to the page. You can see we have the name of the players over here, which we are going to print. So we'll take the element player name is equals to driver dot we'll pass the expression over here of the first element. For that, let's go to Firefox, inspect the first name. Yeah, here it is. We'll make a path. We'll find the unique class over here. So I'll making ul class is equals to this one. I'll copy this. I like one. Let's yep, we got it right. Now copy this path, paste it over here. Now we don't need to perform any kind of action, we just want to go over there. So we will write move to element, we'll give the element name and action dot perform only. Perform, that's it. Now thread dot, we are taking thread just because sometimes it takes time to load the page. So for this thread dot sleep. Now we just need to get this list, because in this list there is a name of every player. So we are taking the list web element, give the name, player name equals to driver dot. Now this time we'll take find elements, not element, s find element, just because we are taking a list which have n number of elements. So we'll copy this path paste it over here because that was for the first player. We want n number of players, so we'll take li only. Let's check this path is correct or not. We'll paste it over here and we'll eval. Here we can see we get the box. Now I'll print the size. Player names dot size, so that I can get the exact number to which I need to get printed. So I'll take the player name dot size of first equals to. Now another element. First let's see. Go. Which element we need? We want this A. Yeah, here we go. You can see we got the name of the player. We'll make the path class name. Sorry, li dot. Yeah, we have eval this. It is correct. So we will write web element driver dot will pass that. Now we need to run I times this loop, so we'll pass I over here. 1 to size of the players. What size was the system dot print will get the text. Get text. Yep. So this will print the name of the elements, whatever in the list. So driver dot close, it will close the driver. So here we are done with the code. Yes, now we are going to run a code. Well, let me brief you what we did. We are just printing the name of the Indian cricket players, so that I have just made this test just to check, check that whatever the name over the web page are correctly shown or not. We can give a test like this. So for an example of a Selenium, I made this. So you can see our code has started. Page is maximized. Now it will be click on India and we are redirected to the page. Now let's see our task is completed or not. Oops, here we go. You can see the names are printed over here. You can keep in an Excel file or whatever you want as per your mentioned task. I am done. Thanks for watching. Thank you.